8, 27, 64, 125, 216, blank. So ano yung next natin dito sa ating number series? So kung familiar ka sa cubes of numbers, automatic masasagot mo to because these are cubes of, so halimbawa, 8 is cube of 2. Diba? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. 27 is cube of 3. 64 is cube of 4. 125 is cube of 5. 216 is, 216 is cube of 6. So therefore, ang kasunod dapat ay cube of 7, which is 7 times 7 is 49, times 7 is 343. So kuha mo kagad ang tamang sagot kung familiar ka sa cubes ng numbers. So now, kung hindi ka naman familiar dito, the first thing na kailangan mong gawin is try to look on the numbers kung meron kang makita na familiar sequence. So dahil nga, for example, hindi ka familiar sa cubes, so you can try first multiplication. Bakit multiplication yung first mong itry? Kasi medyo malayo yung mga gaps nila sa isa't isa. So sa addition, parang wala tayong mahanap na pattern. Sa subtraction, malabo din. So kaso sa multiplication, parang wala rin tayong mahanap na pattern. Kasi kung itry natin ang multiplication, yung 8 paano naging 27? So wala, di ba? Kasi merong decimal number. Kasi yung 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32. So walang tumama sa 27. So again, first is try to look for familiar patterns or familiar sequence. So you can try multiplication and squares, cubes, ganon, kung medyo malayo yung mga gaps.